In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a boutique Shopify website. To get started, you will want to be inside your Shopify account, because that is where you will manage your store settings and pages. First, go to Shopify. As soon as you arrive, make sure you are signing in to the correct store. If you have more than one store, take a moment to confirm you are working on the one you want for your boutique. This matters because all of the changes you make will affect the specific store you are editing. Next, after you are logged in, you will click Online Store. This is the section that controls the public-facing part of your shop, meaning what visitors actually see when they visit your store. When you open Online Store, look for options related to your storefront theme. You are going to spend most of your time here because your theme determines the overall look, layout, and style of your boutique website. Now you will click Edit Theme. This step opens your theme editor, where you can make visual updates and prepare the storefront for your products. Take a moment to look around the editor. You should be able to see the current theme settings and the areas where you can update content. Even if you do not change the design yet, entering the theme editor is an important step because it prepares your website to properly display your boutique products in the right format. After you have opened the theme editor, you are ready to add your boutique products. Go ahead and add your products to your store. This is the point where your website starts to feel like a real boutique. If you sell multiple items, you can add them one at a time. Try to include your main products first, so you can immediately see how the store looks as it populates with items. As you add your products, the next part is to add product images, prices, and descriptions. This is crucial because shoppers decide quickly based on what they see. For each product, add clear product images that show your item in a way that matches the style of your boutique. Then enter the price accurately, since incorrect pricing can cause confusion and slow down purchases. Finally, write a description that explains what the customer is getting. Keep it relevant and specific, focusing on key details that help someone feel confident about buying. While you are filling in these product details, it helps to think about the flow of information. Typically, a customer will scan an image first, then look at the price, and then read the description if they are interested. When your images are clear, your pricing is correct, and your descriptions are straightforward, your storefront will look polished and trustworthy. Once you have added your boutique products and updated their images, prices, and descriptions, you will return to the theme editor area and prepare to finalize your changes. At this point, check that everything you updated looks the way you expect in the store preview. Look for anything that might be cut off or displayed oddly, especially on product listings and product pages. This quick check can save you time later, because you will know right away if any details need adjusting. Finally, click Save. Saving is the step that applies your changes so they show up on your storefront. After saving, your website should now reflect your updated product information, including the images, prices, and descriptions you entered. Take a brief moment to ensure that your storefront content appears properly after the save process completes, and that covers everything you need to know. You opened Shopify, accessed your online store, edited your theme, added your boutique products, filled in images, prices, and descriptions, and then saved your updates so your boutique website is ready for visitors.